Hello kids, welcome to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning A, B, C and 1, 2, 3. This is our colors. Dark green color, yellow color, red color, dark green color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. This is A. 1. This is 1. Yellow color. B for boy and B for balloon. This is B. 2. This is 2. Red color. C for cartoon and C for car. This is C. 3. This is